my lip them blood class chips. Yeah, my lip them no give me them problem. Yo, yeah, for my lip them every minute, fam. Where is this, huh? Deaf, know that 3-piece, 3. What? Po! Funeral, know that. You can't steal it. Gangster tell you. Queen lady gangster telling you. Fuck fight or funeral, fam. Come in the half a pin. I'm telling already, me no want nobody tell me nothing, fam. You see, moment you start telling me things, I've already known. I don't need you to tell me nothing. So you see, if you're going to tell me something, I'm going to tell you how far you for go tell your mama you hear. That me have to tell me. I don't want nobody tell me nothing. I don't want nobody describe me in no shape, no fan. Cause no me. Me see this a person that talk about big hood. Me no big hood is a little hood me have come off from page fam. Bumbo cloud. No want nobody describe me. No want nobody tell me this. The moment when they start tell me, I gotta go against it. Cause no where the writers are with me now. I'm telling you that. No where the writers are. Now with the ugly boy. You know? Yeah. So when they say me ugly, I gotta tell me say, oh, I'm good looking fam. Me not hard for look pon. You're mad or anything me hard for look pon. Me not hard for fix. Yeah, I grew up whole heap, man. Whole heap of grey, you know. I don't give a f*** one like me. I won't hate me. It's our first time for everything, fam. I hear that. It's our first time for everything. So what, fam? What? You whether this start probably never go in a blood Louis V's, not even a Louis V store much as a Mount Clear store much as you shut off your mouth. Eh? Ever go in a Vans store yet? Where just Vans alone you see? Eh? I want you to shut up, man. Shut up. You chat too much, fam. You know me notice everybody will complain about a specific thing. You see anything with them complain about, it a bother them. That's why them have to complain. You see, one thing I learn in the army, when I go in the army, them always say, comply before you complain. You hear that? So you see, me, I prefer to carry out my duty before I complain. And me as a boy, nothing bother me. I not complain. Remember that. You hear that? So, as I say to you can go on. Because that now face this or hurt this. You hear? Remember me tell you that. And so what if them fake, fam? So what if they're fake? You know, make sure say anything you are wear, make sure it's really here. That me I tell you. All when everything for me want fake fam. You see right there, sir? You see from right there, sir, genuine, me good. You hear that? Our Father God never make it fake. He make it real. So anything else they want to come as real or fake, I give a flying at I don't know who to get that picture there right now, you know. So foreign not easy, you know, foreign is not a bed of rose. No time. See me? Yeah. Just certificates, cash win and no thing go. See me? In a real life. Them people are not associate them people there. Family. You hear that? So if I hear me big them up, you know the time. You know the score. See it? Connect, man. But we say Vashashi tonight, black and white, trouble. See if we can kick with the ball game there tonight and done it 6-love, you know? Because last night we never draw but a 3-all, you know? 3-all game done. You get your nuts. Uncle Ricky, pick up your damn self, you know, my God. You hear that? Glad to see you back by your 2 foot. You know the style. You understand? You know, nothing to beat time, my father. You understand? A whole heap of years sit down in that chair there. You get me come to England, come see in that chair in a real life. And more couple months after, can't even a year good. Couple months after, back on the 2 foot again. You hear that, sir? You don't know badness going on, my uncle. You see me great man, them can't hold on a great one, you know. Them have to help build a great one. You hear that? You know it thing come down, man. Connect, man, 3 piece. You hear? Birmingham. You used to come do it, you know. Or come fix things last night, you know. You never get to fix it or want to fix it. But you don't know it thing come down, man. One Queen wave, man, you know. One Birmingham. So it's obvious. It's obvious. Me not have a girlfriend. I don't have a girlfriend, fam. I got a wife. So what the fuck what happen? What happen? My friend, the building where you in. I don't know what all it is. If it's a flat, if it's a 2-story, if it's a 1-story, if it's a 3-story. But you know me that love for you do for me in the morning, yeah? Go up on the rooftop and jump off and tell me what happened after. Bumbo clean. Are you chat too much? So what happen if me big up my wife? Is that a problem? Is that a crime? Send the police them come for me, make them lock me up. See me on them, lock me up. Bumbo clear. Everything you know find fault with. You know what? Someone who forgot work in a court, you know. Yeah man, can come in like you know the law. Nothing a pass, you know. Yeah man, bless up to your Royal Connects them, man, you hear that? Yeah. Yeah man, England grey me up, you know. But you know, so your badness good. Can't do nothing, can't say nothing. That's how it is, fam. I mean, now I die them out because my image. You see me?
I'm a bad man, you see me?
Dead.
Bum.
Dead. Everything good, man.
Tell me. My God.
Yeah, but yeah, still, I just literally, guys, no, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah, man's gonna go studio real quick. What you doing?
If we're not go studio.
I'll tell them.
Who won't go?
Me, just gonna shut them on.
Give me a number.
Hey, Chronic Little Big Zeke's out now.
Yo, we said that you in the body last night, you know?
Out now.
Dead.
Yeah? Boom. Gonna support the thing, you understand? Hey, that coat's bad.
I'm if you tell them my father, I love it, you see?
Coat's bad.
All this now open.
If you touch better shoot, hey, 1 second.
Yeah, because I forget the number daddy. Crazy. Open this for me, darling.
Outside. Hey, Pippa. Raw Rizzy left the bag, yeah? Raw Rizzy left the bag. You see it? He's in the room. Man, get washed out, man. We should have washed that everybody. Yeah.